The head and shoulders chart pattern happens when an upward trend is about to end. That's why it's called a bearish reversal pattern. Traders love the head and shoulders because it helps them get out of a bull market and keep their profits. Once they're sure that the pattern is legit, they close out some or all of their positions and might even start a short sell position. Now here's how you can identify the head and shoulders pattern. Okay, so this pattern we're talking about has two shoulders, a head, and a neckline, and that's why it's called head and shoulders. And nope, it ain't got nothing to do with that famous shampoo brand. First, you see this strong upward trend that's met with a bit of resistance, forming what we call the left shoulder. Then the market pulls back a bit but finds some support and bounces back up, breaking the previous high of the left shoulder. But as luck would have it, it's met with another resistance. So the price drops again, but this time it lands at the same level as the previous support, which creates what we call the neckline. Then the market bounces back up once more, but this time it faces resistance where the left shoulder was formed and drops yet again to the neckline. And that's how we know the bulls are exhausted, folks. So if you're looking to make a move, you might want to consider jumping in with a short position once a candle closes below the neckline. You want to place your stop loss just above the right shoulder, and then, for your take profit,